Guys, I decided that I wanted no! Another one? Why? Why? Why are there so many dead Why are there so many dead birds in this park? Oh God. Oh God. Yo, its eyes are taken out. Oh my God. There's a stick. There's a stick there. There's a stick on the bird. Yo, guys, I think somebody stabbed it. I think somebody stabbed this dead bird. Guys, somebody stabbed it. You can see the blood coming out and everything. I mean, I kind of want to take it out, but I'm afraid this thing is probably going to turn into a zombie or something. I'm just kidding. I'm 10 years old. Hey, it's just a joke. But this is not a joke. My last video, I made a goodbye bird last episode video. And now this is goodbye bird 2. When I told the guy to clean up that last crime scene, that last lost scene, he said that birds are most likely to die very commonly. But guys, not like this. Not like this. Like, if they noticed this bird, they would just clean it up. But guys, I'm starting to get the feeling that people are just murdering them. Like, people are just murdering these birds for no reason. I'm gonna take the stick out. Is that a spider? Oh God. It has its fur. Oh God, this is bad. This is bad. I'm taking the stick right here and moving it. Alright. That scared me. That stick just snapped in half. Alright. I have this other stick. And I hope it's useful. I don't even want to touch it. Or maybe I should get a longer stick. No. We are taking this bird out whether you like it or not. Spot where it died. Alright. Guys, I am a brave guy for me to do this. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I swear, this bird will have a happy life. Well spent. Oh, look at its wingspan. Guys, this is the most gruesome thing I have ever seen. If you don't like watching, then turn back. Because you don't even know what you're doing with your life anymore. Guys, I'm getting scared. So many birds are dying. Oh! It's bleeding on the beak. That's the worst part. Guys, it's bleeding on the beak. Oh! Oh! This is so disgusting. And I know I sound like a little girl, but guys, if you guys know what actually happened, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys know what actually happened, yo, are those feathers? Those are feathers, bruh. Bird. Bruh, if you guys know what happened in this video, then make sure you tell me in the comment section. Did that bird just... Did I hear a Did I just hear that bird scream? Guys, if you guys know what you think you know what happened, or what actually happened, maybe you witnessed this by yourself, then let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, I'm actually gonna take a bigger stick. I'm actually gonna break off a branch. I can't break that. All right. I have a leaf. All right. I have a leaf here, but that leaf ain't no good. Guys, the only reason why I'm killing nature is to save nature. Sometimes you have to be the bad guy to bust the bad guy. Hey, before you guys think what you're going to think, I did not kill this bird. I did not kill that one either. I do not kill birds. I am not a bird murderer. I love birds. You guys saw me nurse the bird. And you guys may be saying, well, if you nursed the bird, then why was the last video of your bird dead? The thing is, I don't know. And this bird dead. Oh, like, look at it. I mean, the wingspan is kind of cool. But ew, no. I have to make another gravestone. Well, goodbye, pigeon. No. This time, no. I am not gonna lose another bird. Another bird is dead. Why are there so many birds dying? You know what? I'm gonna do something about it. I got a chair and a tree. I'm gonna do something about this. Can't let this suffering go on against other birds. They're probably killing themselves right now. I'm not dealing with this anymore. I can't do this. Like, what the heck? What the hell? The bird just died. Like, oh my god. You know what? I think I'm gonna hide it underneath the table. I mean, the chair. Just, it's the only way for us to make this bird have a good funeral and have a happy afterlife. And I heard in videos, like, play, if you don't want anybody to see the crime scene, hide the crime scene. And I'm hiding whatever happened to this poor pigeon. Goodbye, pigeon. I'm so sorry this happened to you. Hopefully you have a good afterlife. Whatever happened to you, I'm sorry. Maybe your brother that passed away as well is probably breathing in the afterlife. Goodbye, bird. We'll love you.